Hi, Tara Freeman here, keeping us up to date on what's happening at Christian Fellowship. So you may have heard us talk a little bit about Discovering CF and our new believers classes. They're coming up soon. Discovering CF is the class for those who are looking to learn more about our church or they're ready to become members. New believers class is for those who are new to faith or looking to learn a little bit more about their faith and who God is. Both classes run for 7 weeks. Childcare is available, and you can learn more and sign up at christianfellowship.com. We also have another class coming up a little later in the month called Christian Story. God is a great storyteller, and He's given us a story in the Bible. The problem is, it's hard to see that story when we just read the Bible. Christian Story is going to help us discover and understand God's story and how that applies to our everyday lives. Childcare is available through RSVP, and you can learn more at christianfellowship.com. Next, we want to let you know about another great way to always stay up to date on what's happening at Christian Fellowship. We have a lot of great small groups, events, meetings going on here every week at CF, but they often don't all make it into video announcements. To make sure you don't miss anything, go to christianfellowship.com. The Noteworthy section on the homepage usually has the biggest or closest upcoming events. You can see even more events by pressing View Events. This will take you to the Featured Events page. You can also view more of what's happening at CF by selecting the Calendar tab that has short descriptions for each event. Still not finding what you're looking for? Find the search icon at the top of the page and tap the icon to enter your search term. Tap Go, and a short list of options should appear. Well, that wraps up our announcements from me today. We want to share with you our latest Belong video on what it might look like to belong here at Christian Fellowship. We hope the video encourages you to grow, and we hope to see you next week as we update you on more that's happening at CF.
A lot of times I say that I would go to church, and the mind says, yes, you will, and the body says, no, you won't. And so it's very helpful for me to be able to get the message and follow along with the study, and then find out through the announcements what's going on in the upcoming week or weeks.
I would say the same thing, that he often doesn't feel like going, or we get down there and can't stay, and just being able to watch it at home and watch it together, and he can sit through the whole thing.
We were trying to be a part of everything that went on. We were there for different things and everything else, and it was such a blessing to us to be able to give. And I think that if people would get involved and know that they're giving into something that is so important to the people that can't get there, whether it be because of, disability or age or sickness or whatever, it really means a lot.